guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to be doing the Kylie Jenner dupes. So for my birthday I got a lip kit from Makeup Revolution, and I generally think this is a dupe version of the Kylie Jenner lip kit because it comes in the exact same packaging but except for the box, because it's the Retro Luxe Gloss Lip Kit. It comes with a lip pencil and liquid lipstick, and I kind of think it's exactly the same as the Kylie Jenner lip kit, and this is only £6, so that is such a good bargain. And I'm wearing it today in this week's video. And yeah, so if you enjoy it, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get straight into the video. So I am going to be testing out my Makeup Revolution one and my Kylie Jenner lip kit. So I'm going to be trying on my Kylie Jenner lip kit, and then I'm going to be comparing it to the cheaper version. So let's go on to this one. So this is in the shade Dulce K. I'm going to show you the shade now. So let's go on with it. Okay, so this is the Dulce K shade. It's like a pinky nude colour, and this is the Kylie Jenner one. And it's like a pinky nude, and I do wear this quite a lot because I do like the shade. And yeah, so that is the shade. I've done like a little test on it. So let's apply the Kylie Jenner lip kit. So, this pencil, I bet it's gone off. I'm going to use this mirror because it helps me to make... I like to go like this as well. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying the liquid lipstick. So that is the liquid lipstick and the lip liner all done. And I kind of think it is the same kind of shade as the Makeup Revolution one. It is so good, and it is absolutely my favourite one ever. So now I'm going to be moving on to the Makeup Revolution Retro Luxe Gloss Lip Kit, and it comes with a lip pencil and a liquid lipstick. So that is what it looks like, and I think it is good for £6 as well. So I'm going to undo it, and I'm going to do a swatch as I did with the Kylie Jenner one. So this is what it looks like. It comes with a lip pencil and a liquid lipstick. So now I'm going to do the swatches and yeah, see what the colours look like. And I'm going to still keep the Kylie Jenner one on there. So yeah. Okay, so I have just done the swatch of the Makeup Revolution one. So it's the bottom one here. And it is a lighter pink. And it's more like a nudie colour. And I really, really do like that. And this shade is in the shade Opulence. And it looks really like a nice little shade, and I really, really like it. So now I'm going to put this lip liner on. Let's put it on and see what it looks like. Mirror again, I keep forgetting it. That's the lip liner on. So now I'm going to go on to the liquid lipstick. So, that liquid lipstick and the lip kit was absolutely really good. It is such a good dupe for only £6. You cannot go wrong for £6. The Kylie Jenner lip kits cost like £25, and the Makeup Revolution ones only cost £6. So I think that is definitely a dupe version of the Kylie Jenner lip kit, and I really like the shade too, and it's my kind of colour, and yeah. So I give the Makeup Revolution lip kit a 10 out of 10. It is so smooth and so easy to apply. I actually really like it. And the Kylie Jenner one is a dupe version. And I just think it is so good for £6. You cannot go wrong for £6. I think it's so affordable. And it's such a good makeup beginner kit, and I think it is so good, and I definitely recommend it to anyone who can't afford a Kylie Jenner lip kit. I definitely recommend this one. It is so good and so affordable, and I'm in love with it so much. I want to get some more of these lip kits because I think they are goals and they are absolutely amazing, so I definitely recommend it. So that's the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it. If you want more kind of videos like this, don't forget to comment down below because I love to have more suggestions from you guys. And if you want more videos from me, don't forget to smash a big thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next Sunday for a brand new video. Bye. Got the power.